Hello and welcome back to the BIN2BEAN Training Series on awareness raising and community engagement. In this module, we will focus on one essential message: quality is key. There are many ways to improve the quality of compost and soil improvers. These can be grouped into four main areas: separation at source, input screening during collection, pre-sorting at the facility, and optimization of the output. The last 2 points, pre-sorting and output optimization, are mainly questions of intelligent engineering. But the first two, separation at source and input screening during collection, rely heavily on communication. Contaminants such as stones, glass, plastic bags, diapers or dust are very costly to remove at the facility, and small plastic particles or glass fragments cannot completely be removed. This makes it even more important to raise awareness among citizens from the very beginning. To do this effectively, remember that we discussed earlier about the motivation of citizens and commercial clients in Modules 4 and 5, and about general recommendation in Module 6. Those modules covered how to introduce biobins and how to organize regular awareness activities. But what happens if biobins are contaminated with residual waste or plastic bags? In that case, special campaigns are needed. And in this module, I will present one very practical tool, the traffic light procedure. The traffic light system is simple, familiar to everyone, and easy to understand. Green means everything is fine, yellow means there is a problem, red means the bin is contaminated and will not be collected. The steps are straightforward. First, identify the areas where contaminated bio-waste is being produced. This can be done by screening the waste at the drop-off point of the facility. Second, inform the inhabitants of these areas. Explain the problems caused by contaminated bio-waste and appeal for their cooperation. Use the right communication channels to reach them. Third, prepare traffic light stickers to give a quick feedback. A green sticker could say, "Thank you for sorting bio-waste correctly, we will yield good compost." A yellow sticker could say, "Be careful when sorting waste. This bin should only contain kitchen and garden waste." And a red sticker means the bin will not be emptied until it's sorted properly. Finally, monitor the bins before or during collection. This should be done at least twice and ideally 3 times during a campaign. Use green stickers for clean bins, yellow for slightly contaminated ones, and red for bins that fail the quality check. Waste producers who receive a red sticker can be asked to sort their waste again. Depending on local regulations, they may also be fined or reimbursed the cost of an extra tipping tour or even excluded from bio-waste collection altogether. Today, this inspection can be supported by AI detection systems. These use cameras and trained software to identify contamination in real time. Some systems analyze the waste as the bin is tipped into the truck, while others check the material as it falls inside. The traffic light procedure is most useful when only a few bins are heavily contaminated, while most are filled correctly. But if many households are not separating waste at all, the first step should always be a broad communication campaign, as described in Module 4. If there is still no improvement, then bio-waste collection in that area may need to stop, except for households that consistently receive a green sticker. This reduces the overall quantity of waste collected, but it guarantees the necessary quality. It is important to make such decisions transparent and, just as importantly, to reward households that participate correctly. Positive reinforcement builds trust and encourages long-term commitment. In conclusion, enhancing the quality of compost starts with clear communication and effective monitoring. The traffic light system is a simple but powerful tool to guide citizens and maintain high standards. In the next video, we will close the training by discussing potential problems arising from different national implementation of EU legislation. Thank you.